Hey there, Bravo here. Let's talk about adding a customer to the waiting list in range management. It's simple, efficient, and keeps everything organized so you always know who's up next. Today, we're going to show you how to add someone to the waiting list in two scenarios, one without reserving a lane and one where a lane is reserved. First up, our customer comes in, but all lanes are currently in use. No problem. We'll add them to the waiting list. Start from the dashboard, head to the right side menu, and click Range Management. We'll search for our customer here, highlight their profile, and click Select to add them to the ticket. Now, our customer has already signed their waiver, so let's check that box to confirm it's done. Since their lane isn't ready yet, we'll wait to add any rentals or fees. Now, head to the upper right corner and hit Save. And just like that, they're on our waiting list. Now, let's look at our second scenario. Our customer comes in wanting to reserve an archery lane. He's got his own equipment, so no rentals are needed, but his buddy isn't there quite yet. Let's start by clicking Start New Range in the upper left corner. We're going to search for our customer, highlight his profile, and then click Select to add them to the ticket. Next, let's reserve their lane. Head over to the base section and choose the lane they'll use based on availability. Since we're reserving a lane, we'll need to add a duration. Click the Fees and Packages button and select the 30-minute duration, then add it to their cart. We're going to leave the waiver unchecked for now because this ensures the reserved lane is added to the waiting list. To finalize the reservation, click Tender Cart, which will take you to the transaction screen. Click Next to collect the payment for the reserved lane. Now that we're back in the range management screen, notice how our customer has been added to the waiting list. That's it. Adding customers to the waiting list, whether reserving a lane or not, is easy and efficient. If you have any questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.